How do demographic statistics define the on-demand economy? Imagine a world where work is no longer confined to 9 to 5 in an office. Instead, millions of Americans are choosing flexible, short-term jobs through digital platforms. That's what the on-demand economy is all about. Demographic statistics help us understand who is part of this fast-growing part of the workforce. They tell us about the size, age, ethnicity, gender, and even where these workers live. As of 2025, over 70 million people in the United States are involved in gig work, which is almost 40% of the entire labor force. By 2027, that number is expected to grow to about 86.5 million. This shows how quickly the gig economy is expanding and becoming a bigger part of everyday life. Younger adults are more likely to participate. About 26% of people aged 18 to 29 have done gig work, while only 12% of those over 60 have. This suggests that younger generations value the flexibility gig jobs offer. Ethnic and racial groups also show different levels of participation. Hispanic adults have a higher participation rate at 24%, compared to the overall average of 20%. White and Black adults each participate at around 19%, while Asian adults are slightly lower at 17%. Men tend to do a little more gig work than women, with 21% of men involved versus 19% of women. Parents with children under 13 are more engaged, with 26% participating, compared to 19% of non-parents. Students are especially active in gig work, with 30% of them participating. Many use gig jobs to earn extra money while studying. Income levels vary widely. About 72% of gig workers also have traditional jobs, but 28% relying only on gig work. The average annual income for gig workers is around $24,000, which is less than the typical employee earning about $47,000 a year. However, some gig roles like massage therapy can pay over $27 per hour, and a few independent workers earn over $100,000 annually. Geographically, states like Florida have a high concentration of gig workers, making up about 22% of their workforce. Work patterns also show that many gig workers put in over 40 hours a week and prefer quick payments, highlighting the on-demand nature of this work style. All these facts show that the on-demand economy is a major part of the workforce. It is made up of younger, diverse people who want flexible jobs to fit their lives. Whether they work full-time or just for extra income, demographic data helps us see exactly who is shaping this new way of working.